I have an iPhone here and I have an Android phone here. And in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to create a Wi-Fi hotspot using your iPhone and sharing it with the Android phone. Okay, so what you need to do on your iPhone is make sure you have active mobile data and then go to settings. On the main settings page of your iPhone, just go to mobile data, tap on that, and then tap on Personal Hotspot. So make sure Personal Hotspot is enabled, because if it's disabled, that's what it looks like. To enable, that's what it looks like. Okay. Now, what you need to also get is the Wi-Fi password. Okay. Now, the name of the Wi-Fi network will be the actual name of your phone. Okay. And then the password will always be here, Wi-Fi password. So that's the password you're going to use. So now with the mobile hotspot active, what you need to do is go to your Android phone and then go to settings. Basically go to the Wi-Fi settings of your Android phone. So connections, Wi-Fi, okay? And so it's gonna start scanning for available Wi-Fi networks. And as you can see, my iPhone has been detected. Now this is the name of my iPhone. You might have a different name for your iPhone, but this is my iPhone. So what you need to do is now tap on that and then enter this password on the iPhone. Okay, so the Wi-Fi password is this one right here. So just type that and then tap on connect. And now you can see it's connected, and you can see this little icon, this green hotspot icon that basically tells you there's a device that's connected to the mobile hotspot. Okay, so you're always going to see this little icon on your iPhone when there's a device connected. And so now the Android phone, you can see, is now connected to a Wi-Fi network, and that Wi-Fi network has been created as a Wi-Fi hotspot by this Android phone. So you're basically using this phone's mobile data to browse the internet via this Wi-Fi network. And that's basically how you can share your Wi-Fi you can share a Wi-Fi hotspot from your iPhone to your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.